This 2025 Winnebago M Series 1923 RB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 23 feet 11 inches in length and features a Santorini interior, sleeps 4, awning, external shower, carbon monoxide detector, slide-out, microwave, leveling jacks, stovetop burner, water heater, self-contained, refrigerator, and 31 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Winnebago M Series 1923 RB is 4,424 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.